This is the new Invisi-Tag barcode feature video. This is to demonstrate how to properly check equipment in and out using the Invisi-Tag barcode feature. So rather than using additional handheld readers for our job sites, we can just now scan equipment in and out with our Invisi-Tag app. To do this, on the main menu at the very bottom, there's selected reader. You select that option. Instead of Wi-Fi reader or Bluetooth reader, which is the handheld RFID system, you just press barcode. You would then go to jobs. And just like before, we have our steps 1, 2, and 3. Job dispatch, which is my equipment estimate. Allocation is how much equipment am I actually checking out. And step 3 is job pickup, all my equipment that I'm going to check back in. So I do step 1. I put on my equipment estimate, and I think I need 3 items for this job. So this is where typically you would scan your truck with the reader. Instead of scanning the truck with the reader, I press the barcode icon, and then I scan my items. So it says air mover 1 is being loaded, air mover 2, and a DHU number 1. Press done, and it tells me 3 out of 3 items have been loaded on the truck. I press dispatch, and this is where I put in the job name, where this equipment is going. I can say Mr. Wayne, 1234 Gotham Street, New York, New York. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press OK. And these 3 items have been dispatched to Mr. Wayne's home. I press OK. And then I see when I get to the job site, out of the 3 pieces of equipment, I only need 2. So job allocation is what it does is scans and does a difference. So I'm going to scan whatever equipment I'm leaving on my truck. So I go to step 2, select Mr. Wayne's job. And then of these 3 items, I'm going to scan the one that's still on my truck. So I go to barcode scan. And it tells me here that are 2 items that are allocated, meaning they're being left behind. And 1 is unallocated, meaning still on my truck. So I press done. And then press allocate job. And now, before I allocate the equipment and start a report, I can add a GPS location. I press add location, I press locate. And here, it finds me, and it finds that I'm at Invisi-Tag. I select that address, press done. A job report starts with the 2 items I left behind. And what it did is it captured the GPS location of where I dropped the piece of equipment off. Now, when I sync this report information to the cloud, I will see this report in the cloud with a GPS pin drop on a map on the enterprise website. Please refer to the GPS map overview video to take a look at what that looks like. So in my report, it tells me that I dropped off 2 pieces of equipment. It tells me there's an air mover 2 and DHU 1. It tells me the tag number, a start date and time when I dropped off the piece of equipment, ST, the end date and time, ET, for when I pick the equipment back up or check it back in, and the bill hours. Bill hours is the difference in the time I drop off to the time I pick up, letting me know how long each equipment has been on the job site for. One last feature we have here is the due date reminder. I press the toggle switch, and then I can set the date of when I want an alert to be sent to me. So let's see here, in 4 days, if I don't pick up these equipment, then the very next day on the 5th day at 4 in the morning, I'm going to get an email letting me know that this job still has equipment in them. I need to go check them back in or pick them up. So that is your due date reminder alert, and that is how you set it. I press back, say 3 days, 4 days have passed by, time for me to pick up the equipment. I go to step 3, which is job pickup. Go to Mr. Wayne's list. It's now looking for these 2 items. All I'm going to do is grab the equipment, put them on the truck, and I'm going to scan the equipment by tapping the barcode icon. I've detected my air mover 2, and I've detected my DHU. All my equipment have been loaded. Press OK, and now my job report is complete. The 2 items that I dropped off were properly checked back in. The end date and time have been completed, and the bill hours have also completed. Every single report saves as an Excel spreadsheet, which I can email myself just by pressing the icon at the bottom, Or if I press back and press sync, all my information backs up to the cloud, and I can log into my enterprise website and see that information from anywhere. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to us at Invisi-Tag at 248-562-2037 or visit our website www.invisi-tag.com. Thank you for watching.